Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by confirming compatibility and charging briefly so the pencil can pair. Once done, enable Bluetooth and bring the pencil close to the iPad. For Pencil 2, attach it to the magnetic rail. For Pencil 1, plug or use the adapter. You will see a pairing prompt, tap Connect. This immediate step is key because a low battery or disabled Bluetooth blocks everything that follows, so make sure your iPad shows the pencil as connected before moving on. Once paired, you practice and calibrate in a Sketch or Note app so you understand responsiveness. You try short, firm taps and long, gentle strokes to learn how pressure controls line weight. Tilt the tip to shade. Then adjust double tap behavior and pressure sensitivity in Settings or the app's input menu to match your hand. Making these tweaks now speeds your workflow later, and practicing transitions between pen, eraser, and selection helps you build predictable. If you wrap up by integrating the pencil into your workflow and learning quick fixes. Make a habit of attaching or capping the pencil to avoid loss and replace the tip when lines get scratchy. If it disconnects, restart Bluetooth or the iPad and repair. This resolves most glitches. If the pencil won't charge, try a different cable or magnetic contact and charge 5 to 10 minutes to get enough juice for testing. That single troubleshooting tip, restarting and repairing, fixes most issues fast.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.